So I was looking for a job here in Iowa and came and visited Burlington and just fell in love with the city. I love the hospital, and there's a lot of impact that I feel that I can make here as a provider, as a family physician.
I interviewed in a lot of places, a lot smaller, that I didn't really feel like had everything I needed to really do my job versus someplace like Great River where you're still in a small town, but it's actually a pretty big hospital that has all of those specialties.
So I've been at the Fort Madison campus since I left residency about 5 years ago, and I hope to stay here for the rest of my career.
Great River Health, I think, is a health system that their aim was to always be the beacon of healthcare in Southeast Iowa.
I guess probably the most unique thing is that we're the largest independent health system in the state of Iowa, and we're working hard to stay that way.
We're much more stable from a financial perspective than a lot of the larger health systems, so we have the resources to be able to invest in the practices that we're recruiting for.
We really want to make Great River Health a place that people want to work and the patients in our region want to get their care at.
We really want to have a culture of ownership, and we feel like we have that. And I think when we get recruits here, they see it, they feel it just within the community, and you can't fake that.
I can tell you when I came from Chicago, I couldn't even tell you what my CEO looked like, let alone have access to talking with him. But here, the CEO is one of my best friends.
The patients are fantastic, and there's such a need that I was able to build up my practice, and I was able to be as busy as I wanted to be, as quickly as I felt I could be.
I think Great River strives to provide a good working environment for physicians and advanced practice professionals so that they can be successful doing their work with patients and families.
They are very flexible. That is very much, I feel like it is in my control. I get to decide my workload.
When my son was 10 months old, my wife called my office to tell me that my son was taking his first steps. And so I was able to excuse myself from my appointment with my patient, and I literally drove 3 minutes to my house. I watched him take his first steps, and I came back and finished my appointment.
I don't have to fight an hour to get home or an hour to come to work. I can get anywhere within the city in 8 to 10 minutes. It's amazing.
For Iowa, it's probably a mid-sized community. For other states, it's a small town. But there is a lot of investment going on now, especially in downtown.
When you think about what we have here in this small corner of the state, between semi-professional sports, we have a very vibrant art scene, we have an art museum, we have a STEM program, we have a very vibrant music scene here as well. Our restaurants are, I believe, some of the best in the state.
We have most of the major fast food chains. We have a Kohl's, Target. We just had a Chick-fil-A open, which has been tremendous for the community as well. But really, there's everything that you could need here that you could possibly want.
It's a wonderful community that has so many opportunities.
Couldn't say enough good things about their school system and their education. It's just the perfect place to raise a family, honestly.
We just love going out downtown. We'll maybe go eat something. There's such beautiful restaurants. There's so much to do.
Again, it's that bigger city feeling in a smaller town setting.
I can't think of anything that people that live in this community are lacking.
I think the best thing to do is come visit. You'll see, what we're about and see if it's the right fit for you.
If you value balance in your life, if you value feeling heard, and if you value being a part of a community, I can't think of any other place that you would want to come where you'd be able to do all of that and feel truly fulfilled and feel like you have balance in your life.
If there's something about it you're not sold on, give it a chance. I bet it surprises you. I bet this place has everything else that you're looking for too.
Come in. It is wonderful. I've loved my time here. I want to be here for the rest of my career.
I can't even tell you at this point, after 3 years of being here, how many times we're just driving and I'm like, I'm so glad we moved here. It's beautiful, it's quiet, and we just love it.
You don't know until you go. And I think that's the simplest way I can put it. You don't know until you go. If you're thinking about a mid-size or smaller community, you got to come take a look. See how easy it is to live here, have a successful practice, be as busy as you want to be without local competition, with people that care about the work you do. Come check us out. Come check us out. You might be surprised how much you like it.